Hi everyone, welcome to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO, where you can quench your thirst for English learning. Today, I want to share with you how Google Apps and extensions have been an absolute lifesaver for me during my Master's or MA in Applied Linguistics, especially when it came to staying organized and on top of my dissertation. If you're working on a big project, studying, or just trying to stay organized, this short video is for you. Let's start with Google Drive. For me, organization was key, and Drive helped me create a structure for all my course materials and especially my dissertation. I had separate folders for each module, and then for my dissertation, I created subfolders for everything: the literature review, research articles, data collection, and drafts. One of the best things about Google Drive is how easy it is to share files and collaborate, whether you're working with supervisors, colleagues, or study groups. Now, let's talk about some game-changing Google extensions that made my research so much easier. First up, the Google Scholar button. This extension gave me instant access to Google Scholar right from my browser. I used it all the time when I needed to quickly search for articles, and it even helped me find full-text PDFs when I couldn't access them through my university library. By the way, you can link your university library to Google Scholar. Just go to Settings, then click on Library Links and type in your university name. Your university's library will appear above where it says Open WorldCat Library Search. It will also have a ticked box. When that's done, just click on Save. The next time you're searching for an article, Google Scholar will let you know if it's available in your university library. The information will appear here on the right. Next, the Google Scholar PDF Reader. This was a massive help when it came to reading and organizing PDFs. It made navigating through documents so much easier. I could move easily through the document, save references, save the document to my Google Scholar library, download it, view the document in night mode, all without leaving my browser. This saved me a lot of time and effort. Let's move on to Google Sheets. I used the assignment tracker template to create a custom dissertation tracker, which was a lifesaver for keeping everything organized. I tracked my tasks, deadlines, and progress all in one place. For my master's, I decided to carry out primary research, so I used a questionnaire and interviews to collect data. Another way I used Google Sheets was to keep track of where I sent my questionnaires and when responses came in. I used the pre-built tables in Sheets to organize this, which helped me manage my data collection smoothly. And speaking of questionnaires, Google Forms was my go-to tool for creating them. It's incredibly easy to use. I used forms to create surveys or questionnaires for my primary research and even interview feedback forms. The built-in response collection made data analysis super straightforward. Plus, Google Forms automatically organizes the responses in Sheets, which was perfect for tracking all the information and ensuring nothing got lost. So, there you have it. Between Google Drive, Google Sheets, Google Forms, and some essential Chrome extensions, I was able to stay on top of my MA Applied Linguistics studies and my dissertation. If you're looking for ways to streamline your own study process or research, definitely give these tools a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite Google tool. Until next time, bye!